Hey, it's Seth with Rough Country, and I'm going to show you how you can level up the Polaris RZR Turbo R the Rough Country way. Starting off, we have our Rough Country winch plate paired with our 4,500 pound winch. It's got a nice, aggressive, sleek look to it, hides your winch, and that way you're always good to go in whatever risky situation you get in. Mounted on our winch plate is one of our slimline LED light bars. That way you can always see the trail no matter where you're going or what time you're going. Our Rough Country vented windshield gives you a very durable windshield and protection while you're riding. It's got our vents right inside so you can pop those out and control airflow as you're riding, whether it's just you or your passenger. This is made out of polycarbonate, so it's very durable, very tough, and will last you a long time. On top of the machine, we have our front-facing 30-inch LED light bar. That way you have plenty of lighting no matter where you're at, what time you're going, and you can always see the trail. Starting on the back, we have our Rough Country receiver mount, and this fits any 2-inch attachment that you need to put on it. The Rough Country cargo gate is a very efficient way to maximize the space here in the back. Gives you more tie-down points for whatever gear you're hauling. The Rough Country trail bag is an incredible way to haul out trash when you're on the trail, to put gear in it, or whatever multi-purpose use you can find for it. And finishing out in the back is our 30-inch rear-facing LED light bar, so that way you have all the light you need, either you're going in reverse or you're riding the trail, giving you a lot more light capability wherever you go. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more content. Find more inspiration for your machine at the Vehicle Gallery, and all of these products are available in more make and model, and you can check all of them out at roughcountry.com.